Happy 2018! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kileni, para los que no me conocen, and thank you guys so much for tuning in on today's video. Just make sure before you leave you are subscribed to my channel, porque mira, yo no quiero problema contigo. El año is just beginning, so I don't want to have to pop up at anybody's house because you didn't subscribe to my channel. I know where you live, so make sure you subscribe, okay? Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's begin with today's makeup tutorial look, whatever you want to call it, really. I'm feeling today very yellowish, maybe because I've been sick a lot. I don't know why I'm feeling the yellow. Como amarillo pollito, that's what I'm feeling. I don't know, but you know what I'm trying to say, people. A little contacts on. I always get that one text, don't I? Like in every video, you guys can look back and siempre me mandan un mensaje. Siempre. Y nunca nada importante, la verdad. If you guys want to check out this video and see cómo yo voy a crear este maquillaje and what I'm going to be using and all of the above, please keep on watching. Anyways, as you guys can see, I have my base done, my brows is done. I got, foundation on my face. I got a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And I am just going to go ahead and start with contour. Voy a empezar con el contour porque ya tengo la base y tengo las cejas hechas y todo eso. Entonces voy a empezar con un poquito de contour. I'm going to be using my favorite ever contour that I've been using for years and years now, and I have hit pan. It is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Love this thing so much. Now that we have that contour on, I'm gonna bake a little bit. Me voy a poner un poquito de baking. This is the brush from Sigma. This is the 3DHD Kabuki brush. Me encanta esta brocha porque si pueden ver, it's like flat on the top, but then like dented on the side. Me encanta para ponerme el loose powder, porque como que cabe perfectly under, like, for the nose and stuff like that. And then from down here, like, I just love it for it. I would say it's a great brush for foundation as well, but this is what I use it the most for because I really like it. You see, it's like perfect. While we bake the face, I am going to start doing my eyes. I am not going to prime my eyes. I always do that because I used the concealer que para limpiarme las cejas que usé, me lo puse en los ojos. I'm not really going to be using primer today. So yeah, I'm going to be using this beautiful palette. This is from Nyx. This is the Fire Palette. I love this palette. I forgot. Literally, I had it. I swear to God, like, I have so many palettes. Se me olvidan a veces las paletas que tengo, and I was looking for like a yellow eyeshadow for this look, and I was like, wait a minute. I gotta live it. Wait a minute. I get it how I live it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. And what I actually did was that I took this other NYX. I guess it's all about NYX today. Cogí esta paleta and I took this little like burnt yellow right over here y me lo puse como que en el crease, como que encimita del amarillo que nos estábamos poniendo en el lid. That's what I did, just to kind of like, hello, ¿cómo se dice? Like shadow effect kind of thing, Very beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, Why am I doing all of this today? I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, powder. Bueno, ya que nos quitamos that excess powder on our face, I am gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using one of my faves. It is the Tarteest Mascara. And just, apply it on my top lashes real quick before we apply those beautiful lashes that we're going to apply in a little bit. now that we have that mascara on, I let it kind of like dry. Espero como que se seque un poquito. So I'm going to continue to do the rest of my face. I am going to put some blush. For blush, I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup, one of the trios that they have. This is in Take a Cheeky Peek. I love this. I'm telling you, I'm going for like the yellow orangey vibes today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this blush, and I'm probably going to mix it a little bit with this one. I'm going to mix this too and apply it on my cheeks. Carry on, I'm going to spray some mist on my face. I like to spray before I apply my highlighter just to kind of, you know, get that killer glow. I'm going to use this Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. I've used it before and I actually really like it. Shake it a little bit, shake it, shake it, shake it. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Becca Cosmetics. This is the Prosecco Pop. It is a beautiful highlighter. I love it. It's so beautiful. After we do that, I'm gonna go ahead with the same like packing brush that I used before. Con la misma brocha que usé antes, la primera. Voy a coger el mismo amarillo de la paleta de NYX, this one, and I'm just gonna take a little bit more y la voy a poner en la parte de abajo de mi ojo. Oh my god, there's so much excess coming out. En la parte de abajo de mi ojo. I'm gonna take that other palette that we used before, and I'm gonna take that burnt yellow and apply it as close to my lower lashes to kind of like give it a little bit more of like a yellow hint as I can. So let's go with this color. We are looking good, people. We're looking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. Me voy a ir a poner unas pestañas and I'll be right back. And we are back. I have my lashes on, and I actually went ahead and I put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Yeah, let's get some lipstick on. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using this brown lipstick. This is from Tarte Cosmetics, I think it is. It's called Brown Sugar. Oh, Brown Sugar. Brown Sugar. It's un lipstick marron. It's very pretty. By the way, guys, if you guys have any questions anytime on what I'm using, I always link everything down below. So cualquier pregunta que ustedes tengan de lo que yo me estoy poniendo en la cara, or anything that I ever, o cualquier cosa que yo use aquí en mi channel, yo siempre lo pongo abajo en el, how do you say it, en la descripción de este video. I always link everything. Como que siempre pongo el link de todo lo que uso. So you always check that if you guys have any questions on anything. I want some yellow like in the middle of my lips. So I'm gonna try to take this shadow, this yellow, like the burnt yellow. Voy a tomar este y me lo voy a poner como en la mitad de los labios. I'm going to take some of the highlighter que usamos ahorita, and I'm going to apply it under my brow bone because I kind of forgot to do that before. And yo, that's it. Like, that's it. This is the yellow pollito amarillo, and this is it, you guys. This is the finished makeup look. I really like it. I don't know why, but lately that I've been sick, my makeup's been coming out sick. You see what I did right there? You see what I did? No, but seriously, my makeup's been coming out really good. Like, I don't know, I don't need anybody to tell me, but I think my makeup looks good. So I don't know if I actually want this sickness to go away now. Like, do I get like superpowers when I'm sick? Like, I don't know. Drop that double chin right there. My goodness. And we are done with this makeup, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I certainly did. I'm not going anywhere, but this makeup is looking popping. And yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on my social media, I'm going to leave it for you guys right over here. And I'm having a giveaway on my Instagram. One of the requirements is for you guys to follow me here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before you guys leave, because I don't want to find nobody. I told you at the beginning, yo sé donde tú vives, así que sígueme, óyeme. I'm having un sorteo en mi Instagram, so vete, chequéalo. you know, it's an international giveaway, so make sure you guys enter. It's going to be up until I think June. I was gonna say June, January 14th, I think. So you guys have like 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks, so go ahead and enter, please, please, please. And thank you guys so much for watching this video once again, and I will see you guys on my next video. So yeah, bye guys.